Hello, it's Dave Dunn here, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up FastMember to use PayPal Smart Buttons. Now, Smart Buttons are a fairly new feature of PayPal, and they let you have a button that pops over on the web page, on your sales page, and lets your customer check out through PayPal without actually leaving your website. So this has obviously a number of benefits. It helps with the analytics tracking, so that they're not leaving your website, being taken to PayPal and then returning, and it can sometimes cause issues with analytics. But it also smooths out the checkout flow. It takes a number of steps out of the process, reduces sales flow friction, and makes the checkout experience a lot more streamlined. So I'll give you a quick example here. This is the Smart Buttons overview on PayPal developer site. What will happen is your customer is just going to click the PayPal button, and you can see there's a pop-up immediately. They check into PayPal. All the checkout information is contained within this popover, and then once they've confirmed the order, it just closes, and then they get taken back to your website. So I'm going to show you how to set this up on your website on WordPress with FastMember. So what we want to do is actually visit developer.paypal.com. We can get to this as well from paypal.com/developer, and that will take us to this subdomain developer.paypal.com. So once we're here, we want to log in. If you're not logged in, there'll be a little box in the corner asking you to log in. If you are logged in, then you can just click here, go to dashboard, and it's going to give you a list of your applications that you've already created. If you haven't created any, don't worry about it, there won't be anything here. What we're going to do is create a new Just Marketing Tips. So I'm just going to delete the existing one. Okay, so we're inside the developer dashboard, and we've got a few apps that we already created. So what we're going to do now is just create a new app. Okay, so we're going to have a sandbox app and a live app. So we're going to create two apps. So I'm going to create the sandbox one first. And we're going to give it a name. And just create that app. And you'll be given a client ID. So we want to copy the client ID. Go into your WordPress site, your FastMember site, and within the FastMember settings in fastflow. So when I come to the fastflow dashboard, just come down to settings, and you'll see an option for PayPal Smart. So I'm going to put the client ID in here. This is a sandbox credential, so make sure it's in the right one. And then we want to show the secret and just copy that as well. And then we want to return to the apps and credentials. I want to go to live and do the same. So we're going to create another app. And again, just copy the client ID and this secret. Okay, so we've now got the live client ID and the live secret and the sandbox ID and the sandbox secret. So we just want to save those settings. And this is now ready to start using with FastMember itself.